Hello everybody. I've got some birds out today. Can't see them at the minute though because it's getting dark. Oh, there they are. It's actually 9 birds flying and I've got 6 with lights on. Makes it so much easier to see where they are, obviously. Look at that. They only went out at 5:30, so they've still got a little bit of go in them. Could be a late night drop. I say late, 8:30. It's not late, but late for me. Where are they? Normally I'll be standing here staring straight up into the sky thinking, where are they? Where are they? But there they are. Oh, I'm just looking at them. There you go. They went the other way. Right, see you in a bit. Oh, here they come. Birds are right above the shed now, and I can see the 3 without lights on. It's a clear night, you can see every star. It's now 5 to 8. They're coming right back over again now. Still kitted together, all 9 of them. Here's my house. They're now going to come over. And they're going to come over the house. Look at that. I can't believe that. They're still kitted together. There's 6 lights there. It's now 8:30. Look at that. Them 6 are still kitted. Yeah, 8:30. 8:32. Oh, they spread it. They just come whizzing around. Then they're spread out there. Look. Anyway, let's put the lights on. Oh, they're all kitted up. Something didn't work then. Let's put the. What's happened to that? Oh, switch went on. Let's try that again. Oh, here they are, look. Light 1, light 2, light 5. Look at it, they're all still kitted. I'll put the lights on now anyway, it's only getting down. I can see the 3 without lights on. I don't know if you can pick them up. Look at them. All 9 of them, all still kitted. Come on. Here come one, here come one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Got 2. 2 is still up. They'll drop in a minute. They'll come over the tree. Here they come. Come on. Number 8, and there's number 9. Here it comes. Here it comes. All down. Come on, Em. Come on. Come on. when you get them in and get them lights off, because some of them don't like them on there. They're too long for the short legs. Three, 4, 5. Sorted. I'm going to box these up and feed them in the boxes. As you can see, there's cockbirds and henbirds in there. That's them all fed and feeding up. Got to turn the lights off. They just twist on and off at the end. You have to twist the end. Actually had another light. I just found another light that was working. I could have had 7. I could have had 7 alight, but didn't see it till earlier. Well, that one's not gone off. That one's not gone off. A bit temperamental. You have to twist the backs just to disconnect the battery. But there's 10 birds here. You'll notice. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Got a print hen here that flies out. She's out the stock loft, so we're going to try and introduce that hen to this kit. Right, thanks for watching. If you have, give us a thumbs up if you like, or a thumbs down if you don't. All helps. And make sure you press the subscribe button for more videos. The more people like, the more videos I do. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.